Hello everyone, wishing you a day filled with joy, positive energy, and continued passion for your little garden. For rose lovers, successfully propagating a rose cutting by hand not only brings economic value but also a feeling of immense excitement and pride. Today, I will share with you a very interesting method of rose cutting propagation. Using familiar ingredients that contain many nutrients beneficial for root and shoot formation. First, we will begin by preparing a solution from onions. Take about 40 grams of onion. Peel, wash, and chop it finely so that the active ingredients are easily released. Onions contain many natural sulfur compounds along with several enzymes that have antibacterial properties, helping to protect the cut flower stem from fungal diseases and stimulating cell division at the base. Then, put the chopped onion into a clean plastic cup along with about 500 milliliters of water. Stir well to dissolve the onion's essence in the water, then let it sit for about 15 minutes. While waiting for the onion solution to take effect, prepare the rose stem. Choose a stem you like, ensuring it shows no signs of pests or diseases, is sturdy, and of moderate age. Then, remove all leaves and sharp thorns to minimize water loss and avoid damage during handling. Trim the stem to about 20 centimeters in length to concentrate nutrients on the roots. Next, gently trim a portion of the bark at the base of the stem. This exposes the inner tissue, creating favorable conditions for new roots to form. Once the onion solution is ready, soak the rose stem in it for about 15 minutes. This is a crucial step for natural disinfection and stimulating root growth. Next, we prepare the potatoes, a starchy ingredient that helps retain moisture and provides initial energy for the cuttings. Take about 40 grams of potato, wash it thoroughly, and cut it into a 3 by 3 centimeters square. Use a small knife to make a hole in the center of the potato, ensuring it fits the diameter of the cutting, and set it aside. Chop the remaining potato into small pieces and add it to the onion solution. Stir well and let it sit for another 15 minutes to allow the nutrients to blend. After soaking, remove the rose cuttings from the solution. Next, filter out all the solids to obtain a clear onion potato solution. To ensure the correct concentration, dilute this solution with about half a litre of clean water. This mixture will act as a natural rooting agent, providing nutrients and creating a favourable environment for the cuttings' growth. Now, let's proceed with planting the cuttings. Prepare a clean plastic cup and fill it about 1/3 full with treated river sand. Then, insert the rose cutting into the pre-drilled hole in the potato and place the entire potato in the cup of sand. Continue adding sand until the cup is full and gently press down to secure the cutting, ensuring it stands firmly and doesn't wobble. Next, pour the onion potato solution into the cup in enough quantity to keep the substrate moist but not waterlogged. To create an ideal environment for the cutting to grow, use a plastic bag or a clear plastic cup to cover the top. This helps maintain stable humidity and creates a mini greenhouse effect, which is essential for rooting. Place the cup in a cool, airy place, away from strong winds and harsh sunlight to prevent the cutting from losing water or experiencing thermal shock. After about 10 days, you will see very encouraging results. New shoots gradually emerge, displaying a vibrant green colour, a sign that the cutting has adapted well to its new environment. Simultaneously, white, succulent, and healthy roots will begin to appear from the base of the cutting. Once the roots are established, you can transfer the cutting to a well-draining pot. Using coconut fiber as a growing medium to continue nurturing the plant's long-term growth. This method is not only simple and easy to implement, but also makes the most of readily available natural materials in the home. The most important thing is meticulousness in each step and patience in the care process. Each rose cutting, when properly nurtured, will gradually develop a healthy root system. From which it will grow into a complete plant, displaying its radiant beauty over time. Hopefully, with these detailed instructions, you'll have another effective method for propagating roses at home. Try it out and experience the joy of witnessing the tiny roots forming and the strong shoots growing. It's not just the result of technique, but also the culmination of care, perseverance, and love for plants. We wish you success, that you always maintain your passion for growing flowers, and that your garden will become greener and more vibrant every day. See you in the next post.